Making sense of prepositions. Unraveling idiomatic expressions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of prepositions and their place in idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are unique phrases whose meanings cannot be determined by the literal definitions of the words they contain. Often, these expressions include prepositions which play a significant role in shaping their meanings. Ready to master this tricky part of the English language? Let's get started. Idiomatic expressions are phrases that have a fixed meaning that is different from what you would guess by just looking at the individual words. They often include words such as prepositions, which are words that express a relationship between two elements in a sentence. Some common examples of prepositions are in, on, at, with, under, and between. For instance, consider the idiomatic expression, kick the bucket. This phrase doesn't involve any actual kicking or bucket. Instead, it means to die. Idiomatic expressions like these are used frequently in English, so understanding them is a vital part of becoming fluent. Now let's look at some commonly used idiomatic expressions that contain prepositions. 1. To be in hot water. This doesn't mean you're physically sitting in hot water. Rather, it means you're in trouble. 2. On cloud 9. This doesn't mean you're literally sitting on a cloud. It means you're extremely happy or ecstatic. 3. At the end of the day. Here, it's not about the literal end of a day. This phrase means, in conclusion, or, when everything is taken into account. These phrases often don't make sense if you try to take them literally. But don't worry. As you become more familiar with them, you'll start understanding and using them naturally. The key to mastering idiomatic expressions is exposure and practice. Here are some tips. 1. Read and listen a lot. Idiomatic expressions are everywhere, in books, movies, songs, and everyday conversations. The more you expose yourself to English, the more idioms you will encounter. 2. Use them in context. Try to use idioms in your conversations or writings. But remember, not all idioms are suitable for all situations. Some might be too informal for a business setting, for example. 3. Practice, practice, practice. Like with any other language skill, practice is crucial. Make flashcards, join a language exchange group, or write in a journal using new idioms you learn. Idiomatic expressions, especially those with prepositions, can initially seem confusing, but they're an essential part of the English language that adds color and richness to your conversations. Remember, the key is exposure and practice. Don't let the non-literal meanings discourage you. Embrace the quirkiness, and keep practicing. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English idioms. Stay tuned for more videos to help boost your English language skills. Until next time, happy learning!